Okay, so today we're going to show you how to put on the trunk panel inserts for the C8 Corvette. First thing you're going to need to do is apply 5900 or rubbing alcohol into a rag, and you're going to need to prep the surface. You're going to prep this border right around here and this border right around here. What you're going to do is just kind of wipe it. Now your kit's going to come to you with 2 packs. I'm only going to use one for the sake of the video. And what you're going to do is tear it, open it up, and this is a little sponge with promoters filled up with a liquid. And you're going to rub them right on that same spot you prep. So next step is your piece is going to come to you with tape. This is the lower section, and it's going to fit right in here. And it's just going to stick like that. So what you'll need to do is peel this red release liner. The tape is there just to hold it in place. And then what we're going to do is put some silicone on it. You were provided a tube. You won't have a gun. You'll have to get it at a local hardware store. About what you want to put on there. And then the next thing is to kind of just line up the edges here. Kind of stick it in like that. And then you flop it. Now the trick is to keep the hood up and allow that to sit like that. Sometimes what you'll need to do is put a little tape on there. I've got some blue painter's tape. And what you'll do is just kind of tape any spots you see might sag and allow that silicone to dry. And the next step, we're going to do the same thing for that. This is going to come taped a little differently. Same thing, you're just going to peel the release liner completely away. Best thing to do is kind of just set it on the inside here and just kind of flop it in. Give it a nice firm press. And now it's crucial to let that sit and allow that silicone to dry before you go ahead and close the hood. I would let it sit for 4 to 6 hours and then you should be good. And then what you'll do is remove the release liner.